This is Igbo area Who among world celebrities are of Igbo origin? Who of popular Nigerian and European artists, actors and singers has the Igbo origin? What are the popular films and concerts they participated in? On today's show, we shall be looking at top foreign celebrities who are of Igbo origin. NNAMDI ASOMUGHA. NNAMDI was born July 6, 1981. He's an actor and former American football comeback. He played college football for the University of California, Berkeley, and was drafted in the first round of the 2003 NFL draft by the Oakland Raiders. He also played for the Philadelphia Eagles and San Francisco 49ers. For many years, he was considered one of the best shutdown corners in the NFL. NNAMDI ASOMUGHA was born in Lafayette, Louisiana, to Nigerian Igbo parents. He was raised in Los Angeles, California. He attended Rezinga High School in Lawndale, California, and Bishop Montgomery High School in Torrance, California, before transferring to and from Narbonne High School in Heber City, California, playing high school basket and football. CHIWETEL EJIOFOR. CHIWETEL Umadi EJIOFOR was born 10 July 1977. He's a British actor. After enrolling at the National Youth Theatre in 1996 and gaining a scholarship to the London Academy of Music and Dramatic Arts at the age of 19 and 3 months into his course, EJIOFOR was cast by Steven Spielberg to play a supporting role in the film Amistad 1997 as James Covell. EJIOFOR was born in London's Forest Gate to Nigerian parents. His father, Arinze, was a doctor, and his mother, Obiajolo, was a pharmacist. His younger sister is a CNN correspondent. Zain Asha is her name. In 1988, when EJIOFOR was 11, during a family trip to Nigeria for a wedding, he and his father were driving to Lagos after the celebrations when their car was involved in a head-on crash with a lorry. His father was killed and EJIOFOR was badly injured and received scars that are still visible on his forehead. EJIOFOR began acting in school plays at the age of 14 at Dulwich College and joined the National Youth Theatre. He got into the London Academy of Music and Dramatic Arts, but left after the first year. After being cast in Steven Spielberg's film Amistad, he played the title role in Othello at the Bloomsbury Theatre in September 1995, and again at the Theatre Royal, Glasgow in 1996 when he starred opposite Rachel Sterling as Desdemona. TINIE, TEMPAH. His real name is Patrick Chukwuemeka Okoh. He was born 7th November 1988. He was better known by his stage name, TINIE TEMPAH. He's an English rapper, singer, and songwriter. He has been signed by Parlophone Records since 2009, a subsidiary of Warner Music Group. He created his own record and fashion label, Disturbing London Records, in 2007, along with his cousin, Dumi Oberota. TEMPAH was born in London, the son of Igbo parents from Nigeria. His middle name, Chukwuemeka, means God has done more in the Igbo language. Until he was 12 years old, TEMPAH lived on the Aylesbury estate in southeast London with his parents and 3 younger siblings, Kelly, Kelvin, and Marion. The family later moved to Plumstead, with TEMPAH attending St. Paul's Catholic School in nearby Abbey Wood. After earning 10 GCSEs, he sat A-levels in media studies, psychology, and religious studies at St. Francis Xavier Sixth Form College. At 12 years old, TEMPAH conceived his stage name after viewing the music video for So Solid Cruise, 21 seconds. He used a thesaurus in class, juxtaposing TEMPAH, which he saw under angry, with tiny, to ameliorate the aggressive sound of TEMPAH. Regarding its London upbringing, TEMPAH states, London is one of the only places in the world where you can live in a council block and see a beautiful semi-detached house across the street. Growing up around that was inspirational. It kept me motivated. He has said that he has considered furthering his education, stating, I definitely want to be in a financial position where I can head off to Cambridge and Oxford or somewhere. I would study something like music management or something extremely random like physics, which no one would expect, as I like challenges. Ashley Madekwe. Ashley Madekwe, born 6 December 1983, is an English actress. She is known for her roles as call girl Bambi in the TV2 series Secret Diary of a Call Girl, social climber Ashley Davenport on the ABC drama series Revenge, and the witch Tituba in the WGN American series Salem. Ashley Madekwe was born in East London, England. Her father is a Nigerian Igbo and her mother is of Swiss descent. She grew up on a South London council estate and attended the Brit School at age 14. She attended the Royal Academy of Dramatic Art in London, where she gained a BA in acting. While attending the school, she appeared in numerous stage productions, including King Henry's V as Princess Catherine and Wuthering Heights as Catherine Earnshaw. Madekwe started her acting career with a film titled Storm Damage. Since then, she has made guest appearances on Teachers, Doctors, Casualties, and Drop Dead Gorgeous. Madekwe landed her first motion picture in the 2007 Woody Allen's film Cassandra's Dream, opposite Colin Farrell and Ewan McGregor. Following that success, she played Alicia in the one of BBC 3 drama pilot West 10 LDN and appeared in 6 episodes of the Thresh and Flip as Ole. In 2008, she landed the role of Bambi on the ITV2 drama series Secret Diary of the Call Girls, appearing in the series 2 and 3. Madekwe starred in the 2008 comedy film How to Lose Friends and Alienate People. Her theater credits include Little Sweet Thing by Roy Williams and Flight Paths by David Watson. Caroline Chikezie. Caroline Chikezie is a British actress, best known for her playing Sasha Williams in As If. Then she also played Elaine Hardy in Footballers' Wives and the Cyberwoman in Touchwood. Chikezie was born in England to Nigerian parents. At 14, Chikezie was sent to boarding school in Nigeria in an attempt to make her abandon her dreams to become an actress. Prior to this, she had attended weekend classes at Italia Conti. On her return to the United Kingdom, she enrolled in Brunel University, where she studied medicinal chemistry. She was expected to take over her father's hospital in Nigeria, but left after lectures decided that she was unsuited to academic life. She later won a scholarship to the Academy of Life and Recorded Arts. After roles in Holby City, Casualty, and the award-winning British film Baby Mother, Chikezie landed her first major role as bitchy Sasha Williams in As If in 2001. In 2004, she landed a regular role as Carl Parsons' girlfriend Ellen Hardy in series 3 of Footballers' Wives. Other television works include 40, Judas Kiss, Free Fall, and Brothers and Sisters. She appeared as Lisa Harlot, a member of the secret organization of Touchwood, who had been transformed into a half-human, half-Cyberman in Cyberwoman, an episode of Touchwood, and as Tamara, a fellow demon hunter in the 3rd season premiere of Supernatural. SONNI CHIDIEBERE. SONNI CHIDIEBERE is an actor known for his role in Blood Diamond 2006 and District 9 2009 and Hotel Rwanda 2004. This Nigerian Igbo actor was born in Nigeria. He grew up in South Africa, where he started his acting career, best known for his role as Emeka in the SABC1 drama series Yizo Yizo in 2004. NONSO ANOZIE. NONSO ANOZIE is a British actor who has worked on stage, film and television. He is best known for his role as Tank in Rock and Roller, Sergeant Dapp in Ender's Game, Abraham Kenyatta in Zoo, and Saruswan Dazas in the HBO television series Game of Thrones. ANOZIE was born in Lincoln, England, of Igbo Nigerian descent. He graduated from the Central School of Speech and Drama in 2002, and in the summer of same year he played the title role in William Shakespeare's King Lear and won the Ian Charleson Award in 2004 for his performance in Othello. ANOZIE was hired in 2006 to provide a voice for the armored bear Oleg Benitsin in the film adaptation of Philip Pullman's Northern Lights. ANOZIE was replaced by Ian McKellen 2 months before the film was set to be released. The film's director, Chris Wertz, told Empire it was a studio decision. You can understand why you were will cast iron Michelin for anything, but letting go of Nonso was one of the most painful experiences on this movie for me. I need to say about Nonso that he is one of the most promising and soulful young actors I have encountered in England, and I have worked here for quite a bit now, and he's actually in the next Mike Lear's film. But it was, that was kind of a dark day for me. I kinda wanna go out of my way to point out how much I love Nonso's work, and that's that. In 2004, he was awarded with the prize of Magnolia Stage Performance Award in China and became the first from all world celebrities in the history who has won a prize, the Best Actor. Lemar OBIKA. Lemar was born in Tottenham, London. The nice son of the Nigerian parent has grown on R&B and soul music. In the period of his childhood, Lemar and his elder brother organized a house show for his parents, representing the Jacksons. Marvin Gaye, Al Green, and the king of pop music, Michael Jackson, were his idols. Such performers as R. Kelly, Joe Detty, and Steve Wonder have brought some sense in the musical education of young talent. In addition, the inexpressible impression on Soul Man was made by Ken Kesey's book, which is still his favorite literary work. As for the style of singing, Lemar is ranked as singer of old soul school. All tunes of Lemar are only about love. He denies the different principles of modern sound recording studios. Music for him is a continuation of himself, and for this reason he has chosen a soul. Lemar OBIKA, born 4th April 1978, professionally known simply as Lemar, is an English singer, songwriter, and record producer. Lemar has had a run of chart success in United Kingdom, Europe, and Australia. He rose to fame after finishing in 3rd place on the first series of a British talent show, Fame Academy, which was won by songwriter David Snedden. Lemar OBIKA was born in Tottenham, North London, England, to Nigerian parents of Enugu State, southeastern Nigeria. He grew up listening to R&B and soul music. He used to sing at home with his brothers and sister, pretending to be the Jacksons. He was 17 when he had his first concert at the Junior Jam, the Temple in Tottenham, supporting Usher. Later on, he gave up an opportunity to study pharmacy at Cardiff University to pursue a musical career. Lemar had some success supporting various artists such as Destiny's Child, Total, Uncle Sam, and Usher Raymond on their UK club tours, and after some years managed to secure a recording contract with BMG. Following this, he released his debut single, Got Me Saying Oh. His record deal with BMG fell through in less than a year due to restructuring at the record label. He had to eventually take a job working as an account manager at NatWest in Enfield, North London. Lemar was notably brought to public attention on the BBC's Fame Academy in 2002, a combination of a talent quest and reality television show. He made the finals of the show, winning plaudits for his version of Let's Stay Together by Al Green and singing a duet with Lionel Richie on Easy. While he ended up finishing 3rd in the show, which was won by David Snedden, he caught the eye of the fellow British soul singer Beverly Knight, who invited him to sing a duet with her during her concert at the Hammersmith Apollo. SONNI Music was so impressed with his potential that they signed him to a 5-year record deal worth £1 million. He was also the contestant from Fame Academy chosen to represent the UK in Eurobest, coming 5th, the eventual winner being Chenoa from Spain. OSSY UMENYIORA. OSSY UMENYIORA, born November 16, 1981, is a British sports pundit and a former American football defensive end who played in the National Football League (NFL). He played college football for Troy University and was drafted by the New York Giants in the 2nd round of the 2003 NFL Draft. UMENYIORA was a 2-time Pro Bowl selection and holds the Giants franchise record for most sacks in one game. He is one of the 4 British-born players to have won a Super Bowl, joining Marvin Allen, Scott McCready, and former Giants teammate Lawrence Taines. UMENYIORA was born in Golders Green, London, to Nigerian parents. He is of Igbo descent. His full first name means in Igbo, from today on, things will be good. UMENYIORA's family moved from London to Nigeria when he was 7 years old. At 14 years old, UMENYIORA moved to Auburn, Alabama to live with his sister and pursue a better education. UMENYIORA played only 2 years of high school football at Auburn High School, where he was 16 years old as a senior. UMENYIORA was high school friends and teammates with fellow future NFL defensive lineman DeMarcus Ware. UMENYIORA resides in Cleveland, Georgia, and Edgewater, New Jersey. In 2008, he made a cameo appearance in the music video I Love Your Girl by The Dream. In February 2013, he became engaged to Miss Universe 2011, Leila Lopes. They married May 29, 2015 in Luanda, Angola, the bride's home country, and he is fluent in Portuguese. Despite not being invited to the 2003 NFL Draft Combine, UMENYIORA was drafted in the second round, 56th pick overall of the 2003 NFL Draft by the New York Giants out of Troy University. UMENYIORA established himself as a premier pass rusher in 2005, his first year as a starter. His stellar play earned All-Pro recognition and a trip to the Pro Bowl. UMENYIORA achieved 14.5 sacks and 70 tackles, second only to the 16 sacks obtained by Derek Burgess of the Oakland Raiders. On December 23, 2005, the Giants signed UMENYIORA to a 6-year contract extension for $41 million with $15 million guaranteed. Uzo Aduba. Uzo Amaka Nwanneka Uzo Aduba, born February 10, 1981, is an American actress. She is known for her role as Suzanne Crazy Eyes Warren on the Netflix original series Orange is the New Black 2013, for which she won an Emmy Award for Outstanding Guest Actress in a Comedy Series in 2014 and an Emmy Award for Outstanding Supporting Actress in a Drama Series in 2015, and 2 Screen Actors Guild Awards for Outstanding Performance by a Female Actor in a Comedy Series in 2014 and 2015. She is one of the only 2 actors to win an Emmy Award recognition in both the comedy and drama categories for the same role, the other being Ed Asner for the character Lo Grant. Uzo Aduba was born in Boston, Massachusetts, the daughter of Nigerian parents of Igbo origin from Aceh in Enugu State. She grew up in Medfield, Massachusetts, and graduated from Medfield High School in 1999. She attended Boston University, where she studied classical voice and competed in track and field. She describes her family as a sports family. Her younger brother, Obi, played hockey at the University of Massachusetts and went on to play 6 seasons professionally. Thanks for listening to Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our channel. We will bring you more updates on the Igbo people and other people that cross their path in the walk of life. God bless you.